This Trust Wallet tutorial will show you how to get started on spot trading from the scratch, even if you have never made a single trade before. The first thing we are going to do is for us to own a registered Trust Wallet account. And to do that, first of all, you need to download your Trust Wallet app from your Google Play Store or your iOS. You can use any of these devices to get your Trust Wallet. Once you are done with that, register an account for yourself. And once you are done, you are one step ahead. So the next thing we are going to do right now is for us to come right here, and we are going to be seeing we have a lot of different crypto coin right here. And one thing I love about Trust Wallet is that it is decentralized trading platform. Your money remains in your total control. You do not need to consult anyone before you have access to your money. Once you are able to keep your recovery phrase safe, then you have no issue at all. The next thing we are going to do right now is for us to decide on which of this coin we are going for. But before that, let me show you how you can fund your Trust Wallet account. To fund your Trust Wallet account, we have several options. And the first option right here is by using your ATM card to purchase crypto coin. To do that, let's make use of one of the stable coin, and we are going to make use of TRC20, that is USDT. USDT is a stable coin, and that is what we need for this Trust Wallet spot trading. So to do that, come right here to where you are going to be seeing USDT. This is USDT TRC20 right here. So click on this. Once you click on this right here, you are going to see right here we have different options. We have the option of send, we have the option of receive, we have the option of swap, and we have the option of buy. Okay, we also have the option of sell. Right on all these options, about 3 of them is what you can use to receive money right into your Trust Wallet app. And we are going to be making use of this one that says receive, for example. If you click on this receive, it means you want to be transferring money from your other crypto exchange to your Trust Wallet. And what you just have to do is for you to come right here and copy your withdraw address. If you come right here, click on copy, take it to your Binance, to your Bybit, or to any crypto exchange of your choice. And once you are done, within 3 to 4 minutes, the money will appear in your Trust Wallet address. Okay, that is in your Trust Wallet account. So the second option is this one that says buy. Okay, this one that says buy. Right on this buy, what you have to do here is very easy. Just click on buy right here. Once you click on this buy, you are going to see you can be purchasing USDT by using your card, that is your ATM card, your ATM debit card. And right here we have different options. Okay, you can go for Google Pay right here, or you toggle this on and select other method of payments. Just toggle this on right here. You are going to see we have the card option. We have the card option right here. You are going to see we have the card option. This is the card option right here, and we also have additional option which says digital wallet. Okay, so let's say you go for this card option right here. You are going to be using your ATM card. If your ATM card is supported to purchase crypto, then you can use your ATM card to purchase crypto to fund your Trust Wallet account. So that is the second option. The third option, this is also very simple. You have to use what is called the P2P trading platform. You can be making use of your Bybit P2P trading platform to purchase crypto in your fiat currency, and you will come down right here to send it to your Trust Wallet app by using USDT TRC20 wallet. Take it to the exchange you purchase using the P2P trading option. So that is the third option you can use to fund your Trust Wallet account. So once we are done with all this, the next thing we are going to do right now is for us to dive straight fully into the spot trading, right? So right here you are going to see we have different crypto coin right here. We have BNB right here, we have USDT TRC20, we have TRX, we have BUSD, BTC, ETH, and so on and so forth. So right here, you are going to be deciding which of these coins you want to use for your spot trading. Now, one important thing I need to tell you about spot trading while using your Trust Wallet. You have to come right here to fund your TRS. This is TRS Tron. This is your TRS Tron account. Make sure you have some funds right in your TRS Tron account. This fund is going to be used for gas fee, so it is very, very important. You see right here on my TRS, I have $4.60 that is made available right here for my gas fee. So once we are done with this, then the next thing we are going to do, we have to decide on which of these coins we want to use to do our spot trading. So for example, let's come to USDT. We are going to be making use of our USDT for this update because USDT is a stable coin. So right here, click on USDT, and once you click on USDT right here, you are going to come to this area that says swap. Okay, this is swap right here. Click on this area that says swap. Once you click on this swap right here, you are going to see we can be swapping from USDT to other crypto coin. And right here, I can decide to swap my USDT to TRS if I want to be trading my spot using TRS. Now let me explain the logic to you. When you purchase your USDT, which is stable coin, you are going to be converting that same USDT to other tradable crypto coin. And when you are able to jump on this trade and purchase at a low price, then once you see that particular coin you swap your USDT into is increasing gradually, then you can decide to convert that same coin back to your USDT to take your profit. And you can be doing this repeatedly over and over again. You can do it multiple times on a daily basis. So that is for that. So TRS right here, I can decide to swap to TRS if I wish to swap to TRS. So let's say I want to swap to TRS right here. I'll just enter the exact amount of TRS I want to swap to. I can decide to do 25% of my USDT, 50%, or I do all. So let's say I want to do 25%. I'll just click on 25% right here. So it's going to load up. It's telling me that the amount is too low. I can decide to do mass. It's going to show up. So if I decide to do mass, which is 6.284 right here on my account, you see this is the gas fee right here. I'm going to be paying this particular provider fee. And right here, if I'm pleased with all the narration right here, I will come right here and click on where it says continue. Okay, so that is how to do it. If you don't want to use TRS, maybe you want to use other crypto coin, just come right here to where it says TRS. And right here, you are going to come right here to where it says Tron. Just click on this Tron right here, and we want to be using other network. Okay, come right here to where it says all network. Select all network right here. Select all network. Once you select all network right here, you can decide to go for any network of your choice. So make sure you go for all network for you to select any network of your choice. So after you have selected all network, we are going to see we have different network right here. We have Aurora, we have Avalanche, we have BNB Smart Chain, Base, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and so on and so forth. We have Solana, we have Polygon. So for example, let's say we want to go for Ton network. Just come right here and select Ton. This is Ton right here. Okay, once you select this Ton right here, then you'll be able to trade on Ton. So I'll click on Ton right here after selecting Ton network. This is Ton network right here. Okay, so after you have selected this Ton network, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to enter the amount of Ton you want to convert. Okay, so you can decide to do all the fund you have in your account, or do 25%, do 50%, do mass. Just do what you think pleases you. Okay, so I can decide to say I want to go for all the fund in my account right here. This is mass right here, and it's telling me the amount is too low. So let's say I want to do $10 right here. $10 is also too low for Ton, so I can decide to do 15. Let me check out 15. 15 is too small, so let me do 20. Let me do 20. Okay, so this is what you can see right here. If you want to be trading on Ton, you must not trade below $20. That is why you see when I tried 5, 10, 15 is not going until when I tried 20. Okay, so once you think you have enough fund in your account, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come right here and click on swap. Once you click on swap, your USDT is going to be converted to TON, and you are going to wait patiently for TON to appreciate. Then you can convert from TON again back to USDT to take your profits. You see, this is how you can do your spot trading right on Trust Wallet. It is super easy. One last thing, before you do anything on your Trust Wallet, make sure you are on the latest Trust Wallet app. If that is not done, you might be experiencing some glitches, and that can affect your trade. So make sure you go to your Trust Wallet or your iOS and update your Trust Wallet app. So this is what I have for you right on this update, and with this, passive income for yourself on different crypto coin just by using your Trust Wallet app. If you are new to this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you join all our social media platforms. The link is going to be right on this video description. You can see this my update right here on working and trusted arbitrage that you can use to make passive income for yourself in the year 2025. This is a working arbitrage trade right here. See this video right here. And if you want to learn more way to run your spot trading using different crypto coin, different exchanger, see this video right here as well. It's going to guide you step-by-step guide on how to get started right in the year 2025 on spot trading. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.